Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best ring light is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for anyone looking to elevate their video content, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber, a budding streamer, or simply want to look your best on video calls. This versatile lighting solution can dramatically improve the quality of your footage by providing a soft, even illumination that minimizes shadows and creates the coveted catch light in your eyes, making your subject appear more vibrant and professional. Investing in a good ring light is a simple yet impactful way to boost your production value and ensure you always put your best face forward on camera. Number 5. UBeesize 12 LED Ring Light with 62 Tripod. Experience bright, stable, and evenly diffused illumination with our 12-inch ring light. Its 240 LEDs deliver soft light, reducing harsh shadows and enhancing details for all your creative needs. Easily adjust your lighting with intuitive touch controls. Choose from 5 color modes and 10 brightness levels to perfectly match your environment and achieve the ideal look for makeup, streaming, or video calls. This versatile device features a tripod that extends up to 62 inches, easily converting to a handheld selfie stick. It's lightweight yet stable, perfect for various shooting styles, from desktop recording to travel content. Achieve the perfect shot every time with 360-degree adjustability. Easily switch between portrait, landscape, and overhead views to capture dynamic content for platforms like TikTok and YouTube. This complete kit includes everything you need: a 12-inch ring light, a 62-inch tripod, a phone holder, and a Bluetooth remote. It's designed for easy setup and portability, making content creation effortless wherever you go. What we like? This ring light offers a comprehensive kit for content creators. It includes a 12-inch light with 240 LEDs, a 62-inch tripod, and a phone holder, all powered by USB. If you're looking for an all-in-one, easy-to-use setup for various content creation needs, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and portable solution for live streaming, makeup tutorials, or general video recording. What people say. The ring light has adjustable brightness levels and color temperatures, allowing for customized lighting. It comes with a sturdy tripod stand that is extendable and stable, suitable for various setups. The remote control makes it easy to adjust settings without touching the light itself. Number 4. Aureday 14-foot Selfie Ring Light with Tripod. Experience superior illumination with our large 14-inch ring light. Its enhanced design delivers powerful, uniform lighting, eliminating shadows for professional quality makeup, videos, and live streams. It's an essential tool for any content creator. Tailor your lighting with ease using our intuitive touch controls. Choose from 5 color temperatures and 10 brightness levels to perfectly match your needs. Adjusting your light has never been more convenient or long-lasting. This tripod is built for stability and durability with its premium metal construction. It folds compactly for easy portability and offers extended leg length for superior support, ensuring your equipment stays secure. Adapt to any situation with its adjustable height, extending from 16 to 62 inches. The rotatable head allows for precise angle adjustments, making it perfect for a wide range of applications from video recording to detailed crafting. Our versatile phone holder securely grips any smartphone and rotates for both horizontal and vertical shooting. Plus, a wireless remote allows for easy control from up to 33 feet away, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: the ring light, tripod, phone holder, and wireless remote. We're here to assist you with any questions, ensuring you get the help you need within 24 hours. What we like? This option boasts a larger 14-inch ring light with more LED beads for superior illumination. Its premium metal tripod is designed for enhanced stability and portability. If you need brighter, more uniform lighting and a robust stand for professional-looking results in makeup, YouTube, or live streaming, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for creators who prioritize light quality and build durability. What people say. The ring light is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. It comes with multiple color temperature settings, allowing users to achieve different moods and effects for their videos. The included tripod stand is sturdy and adjustable, providing stable support for the ring light and ensuring optimal positioning. Number 3. KontrolFreek Aim Boost Kit for PS5 and PS4. Unlock smaller, more precise movements with our performance thumbsticks. Create resistance and shock absorption with precision rings to boost your in-game sensitivity. Designed for ultimate comfort, these thumbsticks reduce fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs during long gaming sessions. Made from a special material, they add resistance to your existing thumbsticks. This allows for more accurate shots, even at maximum in-game sensitivities. Improve your reaction time with mixed-height thumbsticks. Gain faster target acquisition and precision on the right stick, with better control on the left. These rings cushion your sticks, adding resistance to prevent overshooting. Increase your sensitivity to react more quickly in any battle. Experience enhanced gameplay with this stylish Black Galaxy Edition kit. What we like. This product is specifically designed for gamers looking to enhance their control and accuracy. It features performance thumbsticks and precision rings that add resistance and shock absorption to your controller. If you're aiming to improve your in-game sensitivity, reaction time, and reduce fatigue during long gaming sessions, these accessories are a must-have. They are perfect for competitive players who want to gain an edge. What people say. The ring light has 3 color temperatures and 10 brightness levels, allowing for versatile lighting options. It comes with a sturdy tripod stand that is adjustable up to 62 inches, providing stable support. The remote control makes it easy to adjust settings without touching the light itself. Number 2. 13 Selfie ring light with stand and phone holder. Elevate your content creation with our latest ring light kit. It features a 13-inch ring light, a versatile stand, and a phone holder, perfect for all your photo and video needs. Explore a world of color with 96 RGB lighting modes, from vibrant static colors to dynamic transitions. You can easily adjust the speed and brightness to match your creative vision. Achieve flawless lighting with 3 color temperature modes and 12 brightness levels. Control everything easily with the included remote, ensuring perfect illumination without shadows or glare. Say goodbye to awkward selfies. Our Bluetooth remote shutter lets you capture photos and videos from a distance, so you can strike the perfect pose every time. This kit includes a 63-inch tripod, multiple phone holders, and an iPad holder, making it ideal for vlogging, live streaming, makeup tutorials, video conferences, and more. The adjustable tripod extends up to 63 inches, and the all-angle connector allows for perfect positioning. Assembly is a breeze, with a helpful tutorial available. This ring light kit is an excellent gift for anyone looking to enhance their content. It's perfect for beginners, professionals, and influencers alike, helping them take their creativity to the next level. What we like. This ring light stands out with its impressive 96 RGB lighting modes, offering a creative way to enhance your content. It also includes a 13-inch ring light, a 63-inch tripod, and a versatile tablet holder. If you enjoy experimenting with different moods and aesthetics in your photography or videography, or if you need to accommodate a tablet for vlogging or video conferencing, this kit provides the flexibility and features you need. It's excellent for creators who want to add a unique visual flair to their work. What people say. The ring light has 3 color modes, white, warm yellow, and bright light, and 10 brightness levels for each color mode, allowing for versatile lighting options. It comes with a stable tripod stand that extends from 15.7 inches to 50 inches, making it suitable for various heights and shooting needs. The package includes a Bluetooth remote control, enabling users to take photos or videos remotely without touching their phone. Number 1. Evershop ring light for laptop. Tired of unstable ring lights? Our new design features a stretchable plate that securely fits any screen, curved or straight. The adjustable stand height ensures perfect lighting for any setup. This device offers a complete solution for your video needs. You can easily mount your phone or tablet on the stand, ensuring you always look your best during calls and recordings. Weighing just 7.1 ounces with a 5-inch light head, it's incredibly easy to carry. Powered by USB, it's plug and play with your laptop, power bank, or charger, perfect for on-the-go use. Choose from 3 lighting colors, white, natural, and warm, and adjust the brightness across 30 levels. With high color accuracy, it ensures your true skin tones are always visible. The bracket and base are foldable for easy storage, and the light rotates 360 degrees. This flexible design helps you find the perfect angle every time. Built with premium materials, this product comes with 12 months of support. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This is a compact and portable ring light designed for desktop use, perfect for video calls and online meetings. It features a unique clip-on design that fits securely on laptops and monitors, along with an adjustable stand. If you frequently participate in video conferences, Zoom calls, or need a small, convenient light for your workspace, this is an ideal solution. Its portability makes it great for working from home or on the go. What people say. The ring light has 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels, which can be adjusted to suit your needs. It comes with a stable tripod stand that can be extended from 15.7 inches to 50 inches, making it versatile for different setups. The remote control allows for easy adjustment of brightness and color without touching the light itself. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.